In this lesson, I will discuss about title bar, which is this bar. If I hover over in this drop down menu, you will see there are a few different options we can see here. But as soon as I move my cursor to somewhere else and if I press it here, I cannot see that drop down menu. Let's say you want to see this quick access toolbar and this drop down menu both together. In that case, I have to go to here. From here, I can pin this and I can see these two different areas at the same time. This is quick access and this is title bar menu. From this title bar menu, if I want to create any new file, I have to go to file, then new, or I can press Ctrl N. Then if you want to open any existing file, you have to open this from here by using select this. Or if you want to open any recent document, all recent document is showing here. Let's say if I want to open this, I already worked with it. If I select here, it will open this part. Or if I want to see in which directory this part exists, in that case, I have to select this folder icon. Or I can pin this. Let's say if I pin this, you will see this will pin at the top and this will always stay here, but this will change. So this is how you can work with this recent document. Then if I go to view, there are few different view you can see here, but this will change. Let's say if I create a new document, I want to create a part document. And now if I go to file, you will see there are a few more options you can see. Inside the file, if you want to save it, or if you want to save as a new name, or if you want to save all file together, you can do that. And if you want to open recent, you have to go to here, and from here the same thing you can access from here. Then there is a new button called edit. From this edit, there are many different options here. I will show you how to work with this when I will work with actual SolidWorks model or sketch. Then inside this view, you can control your toolbar, you can control your workspace, or you can control your user interface. So everything you can control from here. Then if you want to activate any tools, you can activate from here, from this insert. All tools are available inside this. Then on the right hand side, this is called quick access toolbar. From here, few different things you can do from this quick access toolbar. Let's say you created one part. Now you want to save it. You have to go to this file, then save as or save, which you do not need to do. You can directly save it from here. Or if you want to print it, you can print it from here. Also print preview or page setup option is also here. If you want to rebuild it, you can also rebuild it from here. Then two very important options here. One is file properties, which is custom properties. You can access custom properties from here. You can add any custom properties here. Then this is option. If I go to inside this option, from here you have to control all different settings. This is called system option and this is called document properties. Document properties only will apply inside the drawing, but this system option will apply globally inside this SolidWorks. Then at right hand side, this is called SolidWorks search. This is quite interesting. Let's say you are very new and you don't know where to find the tool. Let's say you know what is the name of the tool, but you don't know how to find it. If I search with fillet, and you can see this is showing here, but this is gray now because there is nothing here, nothing to work with it. So let's say I will search with some other thing. Reference. Let's say I want to search with the reference geometry. If I select it here, it will activate it, and this is that toolbar. But if I want to see where is this option actually exist, in that case I have to search it again. Reference. This time I will not select here, I will select on this glass. If I select on this glass, it will show me automatically where is that option with the big red mark. So this is that reference geometry. From here, toolbox, view, toolbar. From here I can activate it. So this is really very helpful for new user if you don't find any tool. But you have to keep in mind, if I go to this drop down menu, you must have to select these commands if you want to find any tool. Let's say if I select SolidWorks help, then if you search with any tool, it will not give you the proper information. Let's say if I write fillet, then press enter, you can see it is showing SolidWorks well help. Now if I go to this drop down menu again, there are a few different options available. If you want to search any file or model from your local directory, you can select this. If you have account in My SolidWorks, you can search inside this My SolidWorks. Let's say I want to search with extrude and enter. You see this will go to the mail or solidworks.com, and you have to have an account inside this. Then you can access anything from here. Let's say I search with extrude. All different options regarding this extrude will show here. Then if you want, you can search inside this community forum, or if you are looking for any CAD model, you can search inside it. It will look that CAD model for you. Let's say if I search with washer and press enter, it will look for washer, which is standard size washer inside this 3D Content Central. Then if you want to search for any video from the YouTube, you can also select it. Then you can, let's say if I select extrude, then it will search from this YouTube, and you can see it is showing me few different options. If I select it, I will get this from this YouTube. Just beside this search option, there is a question mark. If I go to this drop down menu, you will find SolidWorks help, SolidWorks tutorial. If I select SolidWorks help, it will show me that SolidWorks help file. From here you will find all of the necessary information regarding with a specific tool. You will find that information inside this. Then from here, what's new in SolidWorks 2016, if you want to see that, you can check by using PDF or HTML, or if you want to know about your license information, you can also check your license information from here.